Hey, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Y'all are probably wondering, where I've been, because it's been like 2 weeks since I've made a video, but I just been working on the car, to be honest. As y'all can see, look, right now it's gutted, no seats inside. But yeah, I'm going to the drag strip right now. I'm gonna make one video. This is a POV, and I actually got a mic right here, so you guys are gonna be able to hear the intake a little bit better. But yeah, this is what the car's looking like. I'm on E40 still. At the drag strip, I look like such a tryhard, but it's not because I'm trying to get the best time or nothing. It's just because I'm doing something to the interior. I won't tell you guys nothing much yet. I'm just gonna make it a surprise, but the car should be done within, I want to say by the first week of October. That's probably a stretch, but I'm gonna be more consistent with all the videos and stuff. I just got a few stuff I have to take care of first with the car and some other things as well. But yeah, the car's gonna be way different. Enough of me talking. I'm gonna get going with the POV. Hopefully my mic doesn't fall off. I just kind of taped it on there. Yeah, I hope you boys enjoy this video though. We're getting new wheels. Like, it's a bunch of stuff, trust me. I'm making the car a little bit nicer before it gets too cold. There's like every light on my dash right now because of the seats. I'm going any slower, bro. Oh nah, he a chill guy, my bad. But yeah, hopefully y'all are hearing the intake properly, because I did this before and yeah, it didn't sound the best, but hopefully this time it's a little bit better, because I'm gonna edit it a little bit better. I got a better camera setup this time, so hopefully it sounds good. If y'all like it, I can put the mic there more often. But yeah, we're 40 minutes away from the drag strip right now. It is a boring road to drive there, honestly. I don't know how long this POV is gonna be. But yeah, I'm gonna make another video once I get there as well. Let me give them a little pull. Took that speed bump too. But yeah, I'm gonna be way more consistent, like I said, bro. I know, like, I haven't posted in 2 weeks. Like, people have been asking me, like, bro, where are the videos at? I'm like, shit, I just been working on the car, bro, because like I just moved as well, as y'all can tell if y'all watch all my videos. So I've been dealing with that, like moving into a new place, like furnishing, all that shit takes time. If y'all have done it before, y'all know that shit takes time, bro. So I kind of just been doing all of that, and on top of that, working on my car. And also everything I do on my car, this is my first time doing it, so I'm kind of just learning along the way, you know what I mean? So that's why I've been like inconsistent with the videos, but I promise y'all I'm just getting a few things done, and we gonna be back full time with them videos. There's usually cops over here. I gotta be careful, bro. See, I'm getting a little bit more familiar with the city. I know what the cops look like, I know what their cars look like. Slowly we're getting adapted though. But the car scene down here, it is fire, bro. Some nice E40, boys. Yes, sir. Hey, this thing pulls like crazy now. I brought it to the drag strip yesterday. I was supposed to make a video, but I actually didn't have my camera mount for the drag strip, the one I use, because I can't put the head mount on. I forgot it, so I wasn't able to record inside or nothing. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be there today again, so I'm gonna just see what's up today. It was fire yesterday though. There was like M340s, Supras, like with pure 800s, all of that. And I went up with the Supra. I'm gonna put a clip up because I clipped it on my dash cam. I'm gonna show y'all the clip, seeing what those cars can do, and like going up against them with my car. Damn, it's dusty as hell right here, bro. But yeah, it's pretty cool to see that. So yo, look at that M2, that's fire. Yeah, I should got it 340i on E40. We'll see what time I get. I think the best I can get is like a 11.6. I don't know. I'm gonna see what the truck is like today. It depends on the truck as well, because I've been there before. I ran a 11.6, and yesterday my best time was 11.7 with the seats out, and I ran an 11.6 with the seats in, because yesterday I wasn't getting any grip or nothing like that. I heard today it should be better, so we're gonna see what I'm able to do. mic doesn't fall off, bro. That thing is actually expensive. If y'all are wondering what mic it is, I'll have everything linked in the description. That looks like a cop car on top of the bridge. I don't know. I'm spinning, bro. Yo, you gotta be careful with these shit for real. Like, I be seeing why people crash B58s. I'm not gonna lie. Like, these new Beamers, like B58s, S55s, I actually see why people be crashing them. Since I'm running ethanol, like, bro, these things are fast. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. I'll see how I just lost, like, control right there. Like, a lot of people who don't know how to drive, I'm not bashing nobody, but a lot of people, like, will get scared in moments like that and not know, like, how to hold your steering wheel. You know, shit like that will mess you up. So yeah, I gotta be careful out here for real. Right now, if I launch, I'm gonna be spinning through first and second. I'll launch in second gear though, so. You see, I don't know if this is a cop, but there's a lot of undercovers here as well. That's another thing for y'all watching my videos. I'm not some genius or nothing, but I'm gonna give y'all a game what I do to not get tickets. So whenever y'all see cars that can be a cop car, a Dodge, anything like that, bro, just try to make sure it's not a cop car. Cause I got a ticket for my tints. Y'all see I got my tints off. I got a ticket the other day for my tints, bro. Oh, he fucked with the car. Yeah, I got a ticket for my tints the other day, and he was driving a regular Dodge van, bro. You wouldn't even know it's a cop. But yeah, you wouldn't even know it's a cop, bro. So like, whatever car y'all see, just think it can be a cop, bro, because it can be. It really can. About to put my window down, but I think I'm just going from one highway right to another. That's why I said the drive here is so boring. Let me know if you guys like highway videos like this, because I feel like these videos are boring to make. So let me know if, well, it's not dead boring, but I feel like it's boring to watch. Like, thinking about what this looks like from a viewer's perspective, just me driving on the highway, I think that would be boring, bro. So that's why I call this a boring drive. I like driving in the city where I can do pulls. You know, on the highway you can barely hear anything. It's just road noise. You can barely even hear the car. So let me know if y'all like highway drives. If y'all like it, I can make more videos like that, because most of the times I'm on the highways. That's the thing. Let me know in the comments if y'all like it, because I can do more of them. So but yeah, some more exterior mods coming. Like I said, new wheels and another huge exterior mods coming as well. I'm not gonna say nothing because I want it to be a surprise. Within the next 2 weeks, hopefully everything should be here and on the car. Maybe, maybe not. If not within the next 2 weeks, then I'm gonna say 3 weeks tops. But y'all stay tuned, bro. It's gonna be fire. Like, once the fall season comes in, the pictures and everything, the content's gonna be fire with the car. It's gonna look good. Y'all know the yellow DRLs in the fall. Last fall that looked good as well. Last fall my car wasn't even lowered or nothing like that. Imagine I go outside and my mic's not there. I would cry, bro. Yeah, I'm pretty much here. You see how boring it is? Like, nowhere for me to do pulls, really. I mean, I was doing a little on the highway, but like, I don't know. Let me know if y'all like it, though. I'm gonna show y'all me pulling in, and then I'm gonna just end the video after that. Like I said, I'm gonna make a video at the track showing y'all my time and everything, so y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, I was in that lane. Because most people I had, I see like most YouTubers with the B58s that's been doing YouTube as well, like everyone getting rid of their B58s. I'm like, nah, bro. Everyone's moving on to the M. I mean, congrats to everyone though. That's fire. Because I saw Tree, she got the F80. I saw Reaper just sold his 340. He had a clean 340. I think he had the cleanest 340 in my opinion. I ain't even gonna hold him. But yeah, everyone getting rid of their B58s. I'm like, damn, that's tough, but I still got mine for now. I feel like I want to go fast with it first. That's the thing. I want to go like big turbo and everything. I'm not sure who did that before, but yeah, these cars are fun though. If any of y'all are watching, I know that most of you guys watching these videos are probably wanting to get one of these cars, and bro, it is worth it, bro. Like, I bring this thing to the drag strip, I daily it, and like I'm getting good times. Like, I'm winning most of the cars here, and this is a 340i, bro. Like, this is cheap. It's not cheap, like, let me not say that it's not cheap, but for what cars cost, it is cheap. It is a cheaper car for what you can get. You know, it's the cheapest B58 you can get into, and y'all gonna see from my video today at the drag strip that this thing performs, bro. Stock turbo, just a little bit of ethanol and a TU pump.